Here is some steps to add a portfolio to your profile on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, locate the Profile tab in the bottom left side menu and click on it. 3. In the Profile section, navigate to the Portfolio section. 5. Look for the Add icon on the right side of the page and click on it to open the portfolio creation form. 6. Fill out the required form with the necessary information for your portfolio. This typically includes details such as the portfolio title, description, images, project details, and any other relevant information. 7. After completing the form, click on the Publish button to add the portfolio to your profile. 8. Once your portfolio is published, you can manage it using the icons that appear when you hover over the portfolio card. These icons typically allow you to edit, delete, or view the portfolio. 9. To edit the portfolio, click on the Edit icon and make the desired changes to the portfolio details. Once done, save the changes. 10. If you want to remove a portfolio, click on the Delete icon and confirm the deletion when prompted. 11. To view a portfolio, simply click on the View icon, and it will open the portfolio in a separate view where you can see all the details and images. That's it. You have now learned how to add a portfolio to your profile on tool44.com. Utilize this feature to showcase your work and projects to others.